Okay, Amil. So today, let's talk about what your goals are in life. It can be short term, it can be long term goals, whatever.
Actually, first of all, I want to say to you regarding our clapping of members, all members are
Mhm.
fabulous, all members are too good, and also all members are adorable and they teach us very well.
Okay. Thank
Uh,
you.
not only that, I have met one, two, three or four. I think it's my seventh or eighth session.
Okay.
And why I am telling you,
Mm-hmm.
we are from Bengali medium, and there are no much people to talk in English surrounding by our society. And nowadays, I am working as an advocate in a district court. And here, what happened with us? Most of our judges and most of our colleagues, they are talking in Bengali, and nobody tried to improve their English at all. That's why I'm joining up in the coronavirus pandemic. I'm searching two or three apps in Google, and I thought that I'll go for this because all our teachers and all our members in Clapingo who are teaching us through these apps all are in Indian. That's why I
Yeah.
thought that without without going to any action or other than that, just in I am trying to influence my English through this app. That's why I'm joining here. And after observing the videos and all things, I thought that these guys are fabulous and they are teaching us super, just super.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Yeah, we try, and honestly, even you guys put in your effort, and you also do your own small homework or whatever, and come back and hit us with everything you have, and you also help us to be what we are.
Okay, okay, and one more thing, goal. Today's topic is goal. Actually, I am busy in my work every day, and today is holiday. That's why I just have a look. What is our topic today? Other than that, I just put on my video wherever mm, you know, I am on the when I came back from my court, I also attend my class on the road in my bike because today's topic is goal. I have put my goal. I have met in a fluent after 2 or 3 months or 5 months. I have put as date after 6 months. After 6 months, I will be able to fluency or fluent in English through this app. I put a goal now. I have put a date, and I have setting a date after 6 months. I will be able to fluency in English through these apps.
Okay, okay, that's nice. It's actually very, good thing and specific thing to do so that you have a certain, in your mind, you have a certain amount of time that you have to reach wherever you want to be.
Not only that, Suma, I am saying you, I am telling you, I have set only another goal is there. Before puja vacation, I will have my own four-wheeler. That's my another goal is there.
Ah, okay. Okay,
And
that's
then
nice.
and you must have. I am telling you, not only this topic for today. You must have set your goal or put a date. Otherwise, you can't do it because I have seen you.
Yeah,
This is
true
my
that.
this is my rough work. Just see, you can see it. This is my rough work, and you can see SDG short time goal to 2021 4-wheeler before puja vacation. It's not today. I am working on this last 3 or 4 months because if
Okay.
you don't put any date over there, you can't reach your goal.
Yeah.
It's
That is
not for
also
me,
fair.
not for all. It's a general issue. If you put a date in your goal, when you wake up in the morning and you just see this is my goal and this, this is my I put my date on this, and that will push up you to do this to reach your destinations, you know.
Yeah, true. That's a very general thing for everybody. You need some kind of a motivation or a target for something to push us to what we want to achieve.
Exactly. Because I know that if you have some short-term goal and if you have some long-term goal, and if you put some dates over there, you definitely reach to your destinations one day. But you have work on it. Otherwise, you just
Yeah,
put a
oh,
goal and
definitely.
set a date. You can do anything.
Yeah. Okay, so Amit, since for how much, whatever you have spoken right now, I've found a few mistakes here and there. I'm going to
Okay.
say those to you right now. Okay. So
Okay.
you said no much people think about their goals. So
Okay.
instead of that, you can say not much people or not many people.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah,
And
I'm your
you
student
said,
here. You obviously correct me because that's why I'm
uh,
here.
yeah, I know. So, and there's this also. So you said in the coronavirus, instead you can say during coronavirus or at the time when the virus had started, any of these two.
Okay,
And you
okay.
said also at that time that you referred to Google, but you said I saw in Google. You can
Uh,
say I referred to Google or I referred Google or I went on Google to whatever you were searching for.
okay.
And you said your goal will be to get fluent in English in 6 months. But what you said was I'll be able to fluency in English. Instead, you can
Okay.
say I will be able to speak very fluent English, or I'll be able to speak English fluently.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
And you said when you woke up, but you were talking about yourself. So you
Yeah.
can say when I wake up or when I
Yeah.
woke up.
Okay.
So there are not
Okay.
many mistakes, very small, silly mistakes here and there, but I'm
No.
supposed to address that so that you don't
I
feel.
know that I have done so many mistakes, but I wanna correct it through this apps or through this what I say clapping your associations. That's why I'm telling you this is the main thing I have seen. They correct to their students whatever mistakes they have done in their speech. That's why I'm joining here.